Make a great choice today with the 2019 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, child safety locks, trip computer, audio, internet radio, Pandora, power brakes, power windows, audio radio, touchscreen display. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.